It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. I try to focus on breathing. My heart is skipping a beat. Your lips against a red cup makes me lose my mind completely. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking if it's a shot of love. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high. I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control. 'Cause I adore you, adore you. I let you do the first mistake. I follow every move you make. But I'm not sure if what I do is wrong. You're someone that I need to see, or fade into a memory. It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking long ago. I know that I'm lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole. And if this could last forever, I wouldn't have any other, any other, any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other, any other, any other way.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Felt like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Oh, I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on dizzying heights. You make everything so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together, standing on the dizzying heights.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And
Hi guys, it's been a while since I have filmed my face. I've done a lot of filming of the other stuff full business, like all the packing orders and all of that kind of stuff. But it's been a while since we've had a little bit of face chat. But yeah, basically this vlog is just gonna be, or has been, depending on where I put this, might be at the end, might be at the beginning, I don't know yet. This vlog is basically just all the stuff that I've done in the past week to 2 weeks. There's been a few new things come in. Started a new piece, so still got that leopard going on, but I've now started a macaw as well, just, you know, for some other thing that I probably won't get finished in a reasonable amount of time. Yeah, there's some cards and all that to fold over there. You've probably seen some footage of packaging and stuff, but I'm hoping that now everything is back to normal and there's no website issues or anything else to do, that I can just get back to ordinary studio vlogs and some content for YouTube as well. So today I've just spent some time editing a video for Friday for YouTube. So you'll have a little video on Friday, which is exciting because there hasn't been one since the 16th of October. Yay for getting stuff done. So yeah, I also realised I didn't actually show you my new tattoo. So we have tomatoes and garlic now. That's exciting. Yeah, I'm going to sign off, and then hopefully next week we'll have an actual proper studio vlog with some good amount of talking and stuff. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I just need to get back into a productive way of doing stuff. Also, forgive the way that I look. I have all these hairbands I have are just like too loose and they're not keeping my hair up because it's just too heavy. Anyway, I'm going to get on and record the beak for this macaw, and I'll catch you guys next week. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing everything I've done, with some music over the top. So bye.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind.